Hello everyone, this is episode 9 of our ballroom garland series. Review of our other videos. I show you the material and 3 methods to make the ballroom garland. If you are interested, click here for the old videos. In front of you is the ballroom garland I made. And on this video, I will use this ballroom to make a backdrop setting. Okay, now let's put this basic garland on the backdrop. Look, this is the backdrop. For your information, we accept customized backdrop. Just tell me the idea and the color, the size of the backdrop you want will be okay. The detail about how to set up this backdrop, you can also check our old tutorial. Okay, now let's put on the garland. Okay, I slightly lean this garland on the backdrop. The weight is light, so it's okay to just lean it on the backdrop. And same as our old tutorial, let's use this kit to tie the garland on the backdrop. Very simple, just clamp on the backdrop and wrap on a ballroom close to the clip will be okay. Since I already showed you the detail on my old videos, so I will fast skip this procedure. Okay, look, this is the effect after I tie the garland on the backdrop and make the shape like this. And then let's put on our largest ballroom. Use the rubber band. Since I already took a tutorial to show the detail about how to use a rubber band to tie on the ballroom garland. So if you are interested, you can watch my old video. Okay, and since on the bottom of the garland, if we can put more ballroom on the bottom, the come out will be much more pretty. Let me tie another ballroom. We can put more, but since I do not have a lot of ballroom on hand, so okay. So, and then let's put more large ballroom on the garland, and I will show you the effect after completing. Okay, look, this is the effect after I put on the large ballroom. You can put more, but I only have small quantity of large ballroom on hand, so let's just go on. And now let's go to the most important of this video. If you watch my old tutorial, I show you how to put this small ballroom, 5-inch ballroom, onto the garland to fill the gap. On my old tutorial, I show you use the rubber band, same as how I attach the large ballroom. But every time when I show you how to tie the small ballroom, I always recommend you to use this ballroom group, but didn't show you how to use it. Because if we use this ballroom group to stick the ballroom on the garland, the whole garland only could be used once. But since I have a lot of idea need to use this ballroom garland, so I need to reuse this garland. That's why I recommend you to use this ballroom group, but didn't show you how. And since this is the last idea of our ballroom garland series, so I will show you on this video. Very simple. Take this group. Look, there's some group spot on the tape. So, very sticky. Very sticky. So, for example, if I want to attach the ballroom on this plate, I will stick a group spot on the bottom and then stick on it. To make it tightly, we can put one more of the group spot and then stick on it. Very sturdy. Okay, so I will stick all the small bottom on the garland and show you the effect. Okay, complete it with the bottom garland by adding the small bottom. I also make a small bunch on it. Okay, let's set up the pedestal on the middle. Look, this is our folding pedestal. Since I already took a tutorial to show you the detail about this pedestal, if you are interested, click here for the old tutorial. I don't repeat on this video. Okay, we set up the pedestal and put on the cake. Let's check the effect. It looks we need to put more decoration on the backdrop. So let's put some flower arrangement. Look. The detail about how to make the flower arrangement, you can check my old tutorial. I have a video to show you different ways to make the flower arrangement with different material. Okay, then let's put some on this side. I will show you the effect. Okay, look, I put on the flowers arrangement on this side, and on the floor. And also, I remove the side from this field to this place. Put on a LED left side by instead. I didn't show you a lot of detail about how I attach the side and make the flower arrangement because I already took a tutorial to show the detail. Actually, if you are interested, you can watch my old tutorial. I strongly recommend you to watch my channel. There are a lot of DIY ideas. Okay, look, this is the whole effect. Okay, let's check it from top and from the bottom. Look, for your information, we supply almost all the material used on this video, includes the flower leaf pedestal and customize the backdrop. If you are interested, you can inbox me via Facebook page for the quotation. Okay, this is today's tutorial. Please support by like, share, and don't skip the ad as a supporting. Thank you for your watching. Bye.